Today we got a 2016 F150 3.5 liter ecoboost. We need to replace the alternator. It just went bad from sitting too long. I'm gonna have to take all these hoses and stuff out. Get down to the alternator. You need to take this tube out and get down to that alternator. Pull. Clip. Pull. I'm gonna loosen this bottom hose. Going back there because we gotta get these two hoses out of the way. We loosened up this top tube. Not know if that's necessary.
You want to
unplug this bottom plug and popped it out of that hole right there. And he ended up taking that big cone tube out because it was just in the way. We just had to unscrew the bolt clamp in the back. Now we have a lot better access. We got our clip, our power supply. Not seeing our bolts yet, but they'll show up. Alright, so we found the bolts. We got one on top, a little rusty. The other one here to come a little further down. It's on the bottom half. So we found one top bolt. It's right there. Now that we've removed that bottom bolt and this top bolt, now we need to take this cover off, it looks like, to access the final bolt holding on the alternator minus the power. While we let the PB blaster soak on this little guy, we're gonna unplug these cables back here. I'm just gonna push firmly on the back of it and it'll come off. Now this top, guys, is our power supply to our alternator. 13 millimeter. Yeah, I said it. Millimeter on a Ford. So we got those two disconnected, power supply and our plug. Took that bottom bolt out. There it is down there. Took this front bolt off of here. Now we need to take this 8 millimeter. This little guy down here. It's our final guy. A little rusty on there. Plus, I don't have to spend $100 on some deep socket set, but I will soon. Once YouTube starts paying me, right? So this will be the final bolt, and now we got both out. You can see this one is clearly locked up. I'm supposed to spin. No spin. 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 The one on my other truck, I actually ended up cracking the case. I don't see anything on that, but junk. 2016, junk. Pop this new guy back down in here. We can get it good. Now this bottom of the alternator slides in where the first bolt goes. The other bolt. The other bolt's gonna go down in the bottom. Right in that hole. So I have the two support bolts are still loose. Gotta line this bottom one up. We got the new alternator in there. Everything's starting to get bolted back up. Now we got everything bolted back up. Let's see if she runs. Nice. Man, time to change the oil, I guess. Need some air in them tires too.